In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut in Reaper. Now, to cut audio or media items in Reaper, there's a few different ways. The first one is going to be whenever you click on a specific point, and of course you position your playhead, you can simply press the S key on your keyboard, and as you can see, it's going to make a cut, and now there's two pieces. You can make as many cuts as you want, and of course chop up your audio just like that. That's the first way to do it. But then of course, if you want to cut and paste it somewhere else, you could do that by pressing and selecting your audio like that, and then pressing Ctrl X on your keyboard. And as you can see, I've successfully cut. I can go to wherever I want and press Ctrl V, and it's going to paste it on there. Okay, that's the second way you could do this. But then of course, what you could also do is cut a selected area. So if you want to cut a selected area, you simply want to select your area just like that, or you could just go and select multiple items. I'm going to do it like this, and then you can here see right click, and you can do cut items or cut selected area of items. So I'm going to click on here. It also happens the same if you click on Control plus Delete, and there we go. That's also going to work. Okay, so those are all the ways to cut in Reaper. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.